What's fabulous?
Hello, Beste.
Hindi ko ba ito may anak ko? Tingnan niyo po. Si Lucky 30. Pero,
Okay, what's that?
Lucky 30. Lucky 30.
Okay, so are you not ready, Beste?
Listen muna. Oh, yung movie. Listen muna.
Okay, so now we will be having
Si Brown.
letters again. Letters. Okay, so what letter is this?
E.
E. Okay, very good. This is letter E. What is the sound of the letter E, Beste?
Hoy! Tatawa ko si Ana.
Okay, what is the sound of the letter E? Hello, Beste?
Mga pangalan eh. Mabilis lang.
Mabilis lang po to. 10 minutes.
Ito lang?
Okay.
Dalawa lang? Dalawa lang?
Opo. Letters lang, letters lang. O, anong letter ito?
Letter? Alam ko na E.
E. O, anong sound ng E? What is the sound of the letter E?
Ko na E.
Again, what is the sound of the letter E? Very good. Okay. So what is this picture? Number 1, egg. Okay, this one.
Elbow. Elbow.
Elbow. Very good. This one.
A tree? Anong tree? Elbow. Hindi, yung sobre.
This one. Okay, this one is elbow, this one. Oh, how about this one? Number 3. This is an
Envelope.
envelope. Very good. Okay. And the number 4, what is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, the egg, the elbow, envelope, and elephant.
Ay, dumedi po.
They all start with the letter. What is the first sound of the word egg, elbow, envelope, and elephant? What is the first letter or the first sound? Elbow, egg, elephant, envelope.
Veronica. Game, listen mo ako si Veronica.
Okay, so again, what is the first sound of the word egg, elbow, envelope, and elephant?
The sounds.
First sound was the egg, egg.
And.
What is the first sound?
What's the first word? First sounds pala.
Okay, the first sound was the is eh. Can you say eh? Okay, very good. Next. Okay, so this is how we write letter E. Okay, you go down, side.
Sir, kung paano mag-write?
Okay, so
makinig ka muna. Sa umang sulat eh. Turn. Makinig ka
okay.
muna.
Okay, pag after we master all the sounds baste, that's when we write, okay?
Ano na tatawagin?
Okay, so, all right. Hmm.
No!
Okay. Hello.
Upo na maayos, kuya. Sorry, listen na. Upo na maayos.
Okay, so this is what the letter, big letter E looks like.
Hindi ako. Listen na.
Baste, all right. So again, this is the big letter E. Okay, can you take a look of the big letter E?
Kamali ko naka-picture. Ang dami daw. Oo, listen mo na picture. Listen mo na. Listen.
Okay. And this is the small letter E, basta. Small letter E. Pag na-master mo na yung sound, magsusulat tayo. Okay?
Kaya ako tulatin yan.
Oh, magsusulat tayo pag na-master mo na lahat yung sound. Alright? So again, what
Eh.
letter is... Oh, what letter again? What letter?
E.
E. The sound is...
Sound? Nakas, kay teacher tumingin.
What is the
Sounds.
sound of the letter E?
Eh.
Eh. Very good. So, can you say egg?
Egg.
Envelope.
Envelope. Tingnan mo yung picture, kuya. Tingnan mo yung picture. Look at the picture.
Envelope.
Envelope. next one.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Okay. Elbow.
Elbow.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Okay. Very good.
Elbow.
Okay. Egg. Say egg. Eggs. You say egg, basta egg. Okay. All right. So egg. What is the color of the egg, basta?
Uy, mag-listen kay teacher. Tawag mo man to. Dali na nanghihintay si teacher mo. Dali.
Okay. Saglit lang. Okay. You say egg. Can you say egg?
Egg. So, kaya nga mag-listen kay teacher.
Egg. You say egg.
Egg. Nahihirapan ako. Come on.
Egg. Envelope. Can you say envelope, basta? Hello.
Come on, listen. Mama. Oh, come on. Egg. Ilang yung kamay mo. Wow! Wait lang po ah.
Klase ka muna dali. Dali. Huwag mo muna maglaro. Huwag ka muna. Aral ka.
Okay, basta can you say egg?
Egg.
Envelope.
Wait lang.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Okay. Elbow.
Elbow.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, so again, what is the letter? It's letter
Letter E.
E. What is the sound of the letter E?
Egg.
Eh, very good. Next letter we will have, okay. What letter is this?
F.
Oo.
Okay, what is the sound of the letter F? Okay, very good. Okay, can you say fish?
Fish.
Okay, fan.
Fun.
Okay, farm.
Farm.
Fork.
Fork.
Okay, so again, fish.
Wish.
Fan.
Fun.
Farm.
Farm.
Fork.
Fork.
Okay, so again, what is the sound of the letter F? Okay, very good. Okay, good job. So now, okay. Okay, what is this? This one.
This daw.
Fun.
Fan. Very good. This one.
Fish.
Fish. This one.
Fork.
Fork. And
Farm.
farm. Very good. Wow. Okay, so this is the big letter F. This is what the big letter F looks like. Okay, so After we master all the sounds of the letter, after we master all the sound, we will write, okay? Soon, if you master all the sound, we will write. Okay, again, this is letter
F.
F. What is the sound of the letter F? Sound of the letter F.
F.
Okay, very good. Next, we will have, okay. So, okay, this is an activity. Okay. So, which one begins with the same sound? What is this? Can you see clearly the picture? What is this?
Farm.
Farm. So what is the first sound of the word farm?
Farm.
What is the first sound? It starts with the sound. Very good. Very good. How about this one? What is this? It's an egg. Very good. It's an egg. What is the first sound of the word egg?
Egg.
The first sound of the word egg is
Egg.
Okay, very good. Okay. How about this one? What is this?
Dog.
Dog. Okay. What is the first sound of the word dog?
Dog.
First sound.
Dog.
Okay, very good. So this one, what is this?
Fork.
Fork. Okay. What is the first sound of the word fork?
Fork.
Sound is, can you say? Again, what is the first sound of the word fork?
Fork.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this? Envelope.
Envelope.
Okay, envelope. What is the first sound of the word envelope?
Envelope.
What is the first sound though? First sound.
First sound, envelope.
Envelope.
And first sound.
You say eh. Okay, very good. Next, we will have, okay, you complete the sentence, okay. I see an, what is this?
Egg.
Okay, I see an egg. Very good. Okay, I have a
Fan.
fan. I have a fan. Okay, number 3. It is what is this?
Desk.
Desk. Very good. You say, it is a desk.
Eat the desk.
It
Desk.
is a desk.
Eat a desk.
Okay, very good. And here, it is an,
It ends and
what is this?
elephant.
Okay, it is an elephant.
It is an elephant.
Okay, very good. Very good, Mister. Next. Okay, so, okay, can you sing first the alphabet song, the ABC song? Can you sing it first?
A,
Yes.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G.
Z.
Z. Okay, Z. All right, very good. Thank you so much, Mister. Now we will have an activity again. Okay, so you just tell teacher, what word is this? What is this picture?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, what is the first letter? First letter of the word cat?
C.
C. Okay, very good. What is the sound of the letter C? Okay, K. Very good. The next one we have
daw yun.
What is
Egg.
this?
Egg.
Egg. What is the first letter of the word egg?
E.
E. What is the sound?
A.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, this one. This is an.
A.
This one. What
An.
is the ant? Okay, what is the first letter? First letter is
Ano din yung first letter ng ant?
A.
A. Okay. What is the sound of the letter A?
A.
Ah, very good. Ant. Okay, this one. This is a
A. Bed.
bed. Okay. What is the first letter of the word bed?
Bed. Bed.
Ano
First
din yung first
letter.
letter? Sa nag-uumpisa yung salitang bed. What is the first letter?
Bed.
Um, bed. Bed.
Bed.
Okay,
Oh,
what is
ano
first
first
letter?
letter? Letter lang, letter. Hindi word. Not word. Letter lang. Ano yung first letter?
Okay, what is the first letter? Okay, you
May
listen
letter, di ba?
carefully.
B, C, D.
B.
May mga ganyan na letter. Ano
What
yung first
letter?
letter?
Okay,
B.
so, okay, B. Bed. It starts with the letter B. What is the sound of the letter B? Basta.
Ba.
B. Okay, very good. This one, this is a.
Pa.
Okay, what is
Fan.
this? Fan. Okay, what is the first letter of the word fan?
Fan?
Fan.
What is the first letter of fan?
F.
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 F. What is the sound of the letter F? Okay. Very good. What is this?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. What is this first letter of the word dog? First
Dog.
letter
First
D.
letter daw.
Dog. Okay,
Yung
what?
first letter.
Dog.
Ano yung first letter? Di ba yung mga letter A, B, C, D? Gano'n? Ano din yung first letter ng word nito?
Yes, you are right. The sound is D. The first sound is D. So what is the letter? What letter has the sound D?
D.
Okay,
What
what letter?
letter yun?
Yung may sound
Yung may,
na D.
so,
Oh,
anong letter
anong
yun?
letter?
Yung
Anong letter yun? A, B, C, D?
Oh.
Anong letter? Anong letter? Dali.
Hmm?
Anong letter yun? Yung may sound na D.
D.
Anong
Oh.
letter yun? Anong letter? A, B,
A.
C, or D?
D.
Okay. D.
Sure ka?
Ve-
E.
D. Very good, Mr. D. Again, what is the sound of the letter D?
D.
Duh. Very good. How about this word? Picture. What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. What is the first sound? Okay, sound.
A.
Again.
A.
Very good. Good job. And what letter has the sound eh? Anong
E.
letter? E. Very good. Okay, this one is
Apple.
apple. Okay, and it starts with the sound.
A.
Anong sound ng A?
A.
Very good. This one, this is a
Fork.
fork. Okay, what is the first letter of the word
F.
fork? F. Okay, what is the sound of the letter F? Okay, very good. This one.
E.
This
E.
one is E. This is an envelope. Very good. It starts with the sound. Again, first sound. Sound.
E.
Eh. Very good. This one.
B. B.
What is this?
Yan.
It's
Bear.
Bear?
very good.
Bear.
This is a bear. Okay, bear. What is the first sound of the word bear? Bear. The first sound is bear.
Bear.
What is the first letter?
The first letter.
First letter is bears. Bear. What is the first letter of the word bear?
A, B, C, D,
Ano daw yung first letter?
E, F, G,
A,
H,
B,
B,
C. Alin doon?
D,
You listen carefully.
Alin
Bear.
doon?
D,
Bear.
Bear.
B,
What is the first?
Ano yung first letter? A,
A,
B,
B,
C. Alin doon? Alin doon?
D.
Ha?
Anong klaseng letter?
Anong letter yun?
Okay, the first sound basta of the bear is b. What letter has the sound b?
Ano yung may sound na B?
B.
Anong letter yun yung may sound na B? Ha? A?
Ano?
B.
B.
Ano?
B.
B? Sure? Sure ka na sa B? Sabihin mo kay teacher. Sabihin mo kay teacher.
B. Very good. So letter B, bear. Good job. Okay, you listen carefully to the word. Okay, for example, the word bear. Okay, the first sound there is b, bear. So the first letter is B because B has the sound B. Okay, next, the picture here is, what is this? It's a cup. Very good. Cup. Okay. So in the word cup, what is the first letter?
First letter.
C.
C. What is the
C.
sound of the letter C?
K.
K. Okay. Very good. Next, what is this?
Desk.
Okay. Desk. What is the first sound of the word desk? First sound, desk.
Desk.
Ano ba yung sound? First sound.
Yung E.
Ha?
Yung E.
Ano yung ano?
Yung E.
Yung
tulog na yun.
yung tunog
Okay.
na
Ang ganun. Hindi yan sabihin.
Desk. Okay. Desk.
ano nga yung sound? Ano yung first sound?
A.
Di ba yung B, K,
D. Okay. So what is the sound of the first sound of the word desk? Basta. Desk.
I. K.
B, D. Alin doon?
Huh? Is it A, B, K, D? Desk. Desk. What is the first sound? Desk.
Alin doon? B, D. Alin doon? Ano doon? Hindi yan. Huwag mong anuhin yan. Pinapapili lang kita. Alin doon? B, D. Alin doon? Alin doon sa apat na yun?
Desk. Desk.
S.
Desk.
Doon.
S.
Okay, the first letter of the word desk, basta, is letter D.
First letter. First letter. Ano yun?
Anong letter? Anong letter ang may sound na D?
Anong sound? Anong letter yung may sound na ganun?
D.
Anong letter
What
yun?
letter?
Anong letter?
What letter?
Ano ba yun? A, B, C, or D? Sure ka? Sabihin mo kay teacher.
D.
D. Very good. Okay, you listen. Again, you listen carefully to the word. For example, lapit na po, 5 minutes. Okay. Desk. Okay, you listen to the first sound. The first sound of the word desk is d. Desk. Okay, so you have to remember that you have to start on the first sound. D. Desk. Okay, now our next picture we have, what is this?
Car.
Car. What is the first sound of the word car?
Car. Car ba? Car.
Oo, car. Ano yung first sound ng word na car?
Ka.
Ka. Very good. So what letter? What letter?
Naman letter yun.
C.
C. Okay, very good. How about this? This is
A.
this one.
A. D.
What is the word? What is that picture? Okay, this one.
Duck.
Yeah.
Duck. Okay, what is this duck? Okay, what is the first letter of the word duck? First letter.
First letter.
A. Diba?
Oh,
D.
sabihin mo kay
Duck.
Ano yung first letter?
Again?
Sabihin mo kay
D.
Oh, what is the sound? What is the sound?
Da.
Da. Very good. Okay, here. What is this?
Ba. Banana.
Banana. Okay, the first sound is
Ba.
ba. What letter has the b sound?
B.
B. Very good. And this is
Farm. F.
F. What is the sound?
Farm.
Farm. Very good. And the last one we have.
No. Alligator.
Okay.
Alli.
Alligator. Very good. So what is the first sound?
Is the A.
Ah, okay. What letter again?
A.
A. Okay, good job, Aste. So now we are done. We will just, okay, we still have time, 2 minutes left. So we will review. Letter A, what is the sound of the letter A, Baste?
A.
Ah, how about letter B?
Ba.
B. Okay, how about letter C?
Ka.
Letter D.
D.
E.
D.
Oh. Sound ng E.
A.
Okay, how about F? Okay, okay, very good. So now, baliktarin natin. Anong letter ang may sound na A?
Ano?
Anong letter? What letter ang may sound na A?
A.
A. How about K? What letter?
S. S. C.
C. Very good. How about D?
D.
Okay, how about B?
B.
Okay, how about F? Okay, F. The
F.
F. And how about the E? Okay, again, what letter has the E sound? E. Okay, very good. So, can you sing again ABC song before we end? Sing again ABC.
A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z.
Okay, Z. Z. You say Z.
Z.
Okay, so bye-bye, Baste. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.